Hello friends, it's June 17. It's been 1 month and a half since I planted the seedlings. I show you how they're doing. My perilla leaves, the lettuce which we've been eating, as you can see. Shishito peppers, the tomato already grew so much, coming out a lot. Tomatoes, 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 cucumbers here, many cucumbers we have. One, squash, squash. More of the shishito peppers. Have more cucumbers. Getting so many. My eggplants. Got the cucumbers. So many cucumbers. Some peppers. More eggplants. Look, the big one here. I'll be after each flower. There's gonna be a eggplant coming out. That one. Peppers here. Cucumber. I'm gonna take them out today. Peppers. Basil. Parsley. More tomatoes. So all tomatoes. We have squash. Out. All the squash. Big one over there. So squash. So many. Okay. I'll upload again in about a month and show how my plants are doing. Thank you.